Hello, I'm Kate. In today's video, we're going to show you how to map your Autotask billing codes or GL codes to Xero account codes. First, log into Cloud Depot. Then navigate to Autotask to Xero, then Configuration, then Link Account Codes. On the Link Account Codes page, you will see the default accounts information at the top. You will see Organizational Currency is automatically selected. Default Xero accounts for sales are used if no mappings are set up below. The same applies to purchase orders. If no mappings are set up for the purchase orders, then this will be the default account code that the system uses. Remember that the purchase order doesn't need to be set up. This is only if you're using the purchase order module. Again, for the purchase order module, freight and courier defaults can be set here. And lastly, Xero rounding adjustments will be set here. This is only applicable for those who have Xero rounding adjustments turned on. By default, this is turned off, so this option may not appear for you. Scroll to the bottom to find three sections. Invoices tab for mapping sales invoice account codes. Purchase orders tab for mapping purchase orders or bills. This module is optional. Audit page, where you can test the mappings. In the audit tool, enter an Autotask ID for a sales invoice or purchase order. The tool will check which billing codes are mapped and which ones are not. For example, type in the Autotask ID number of a sales invoice and run the audit. In this example, the invoice shows a computer software material equipment Autotask account code. Currently, it's not matched in Xero. Go into Autotask, then Billing Codes, which is under the Admin Features and Settings. Under Material, you will see the Computer Software Equipment billing code. Now log into Xero and check the account codes. Here we can see Computer Software and Hardware Material Code 203. We want to map these two together. Go to the Invoices tab in Cloud Depot. Search for a Computer Software Material. Confirm it matches. Select account code 203 in Xero to map it. If you don't see the correct Xero account code, click Refresh Accounting Info. This reloads the account codes from Xero and Autotask via the API. Once refreshed, find account code 203 in Xero. Select the corresponding software material billing code in Autotask, then click Link. Let's see what the audit shows now. I will rerun the audit with the same invoice ID. You will see that audit confirms the Autotask account code matches the Xero account code. Repeat this process for all required Autotask billing codes in both invoices and purchase orders if applicable. When you next run a sync, your mappings will apply automatically. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information and handy tips on using our products.